So good morning, class 7 children. Kindly switch on your cameras. So today we are going to start with chapter number 16, water, our precious resource. So children, as we have already read in class 6 about this chapter, so we are adding something new in this chapter, that what are the sources of water, from where we water get, what are the different forms of water, where water is present on the earth, in what forms does it present. And after that we'll discuss the forms like a solid, liquid, gas. And next, that how, why we are saying that water is very less, water present on the earth is very less, why we are saying this. So, and next we will be talking about how much water is available on the earth. Okay. And next, the forms of water, water cycle, that all things we are going to study. Groundwater, how it is present, where it is present. So all these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. And in last, we'll discuss about the ways to conserve water. So before going to start with the chapter, I would like to find you all the key terms or the misunderstood words of this chapter. So do it quickly, children. After few minutes, we'll be discussing the all words and other words also which you have not understood of this chapter. First of all, children, write the aim of the chapter. So we are going to study about water table and the states of water. And second thing, we'll study about how to conserve water. Means different ways are there for the conservation of water. So all that things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So kindly write down the aim and after that find out the word meaning so that we can discuss to know the meaning. Okay, your first word is aquifer. Yes, Divyanshu Pratap Singh. बेटा आप लोग अपनी कॉपी निकालो and start writing. Yes, Divyanshu.
So, ma'am, can I give? At places, the groundwater is stored between the layers of hard rock below the water table. This is known as aquifer.
Okay. So can you tell the page number, beta?
And page number 197.
Page number 197. Everybody can mark it. Okay. Next word is depletion. Raise hand. Depletion. So simply you can write the meaning of depletion is like decrease. Decrease in water table. Decrease in water table or water level, you can say anything. So write down the meaning of it. Write the meaning in front of it. Depletion means decrease in water table or water level, you can say decrease in water level. Okay. Next is number 3, drip irrigation. Yes, Kavya. Drip irrigation.
Drip irrigation is a technique of water by making use of narrow tubing which deliver water directly at the base of the plant.
Okay. So drip irrigation, where can you tell the page number? Okay, fine. It's 201 page number. Drip irrigation, last paragraph. It is written. So kindly mark the definition of this. Next comes groundwater. Yes, Anya Jain.
The water that seeps into the earth gets collected between the layers of rocks and is found below the water table is called groundwater.
Okay. Can you tell the page number?
Ma'am, yes, 199.
Page number 199, groundwater. 197. But you can write down 199 is also there. The water which is present under the surface of the earth is known as groundwater. Next is, yes, Divyanshu Pratap Singh, infiltration.
Yes, ma'am. The process of seeping of water in
Yes, speak out.
Okay, ma'am. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration.
Okay, the
On
seeping
page
of
number
the
197.
197, the seeping of the groundwater, the water in the ground is known as the infiltration. Okay, Bhumi Chaudhary, you can give the next one. Recharge. What do you mean by it? Recharge. So simply you can write down recharge is refill. Refill of water, or you don't write the water. Write down only refill. It can be anything. Refill. Recharge means refill. Next is a water harvesting. Yes, Bhumi Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am. It is on page number 201. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as the water harvesting or rainwater harvesting.
So children, here it is written only water harvesting means conserving of water is known as water harvesting. So if it is one word gets added into that, that is a rainwater. So means we are saving or we are conserving rainwater. So any of the definition you may write down. Next comes water table. Water table.
Ma'am, can I give the introduction?
Yes. Malvika, you didn't find any of the word? Page number? Page number 197. Check the definition of water table on page number 197. Yes,
Ma'am, can I give
Malvika.
the introduction?
No, beta, you have to wait. Anybody else will give. Yes, Malvika, you can give. Upper limit of water is known as water table. So children, these are the 8 words you need to write down in the notebook. Kindly start this chapter in the notebook as well as write down the date, aim, and misunderstood words of this chapter. And moreover, you can underline more words. Underline more of the words. So this is your today's work. And children, we are going to start this chapter as, first of all, just underline it. 22nd March is celebrated as a World Water Day. First line of your chapter is written. 22nd March is celebrated as a World Water Day. Kindly underline. You had made so many posters regarding the Save Water. Okay. Why Water Day is celebrated? To get an attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water. We are conserving water. What's the reason why there is a need to conserve water? So that's why the Water Day is celebrated regarding that. Okay. Yes, Malvika, continue. Continue reading.
Okay. Chapter 16, Water's a Precious Resource. You're perhaps aware that 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. A school celebrated Water Day and invited posters from the children of your age group. Some of the posters presented on that day are shown in figure 16.1. What is the message you get from these posters? Write your observations in your notebook and discuss them in your class.
Continue.
Have you ever felt a shortage of water at home or at school? Your parents or teachers must have often be advising you not to waste water. No wonder we celebrate Water Day every year to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water. The amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking, and maintaining proper hygiene in a minimum of 50 liters per person day. This amount is about 2.5 buckets of water per person a day. Is your family getting at least this much of water? If yes, you should consider yourself fortunate because millions of people in our country do not get enough water. What about your friends and their families? Share your experience with them.
Okay, next, Fiona, you may continue. In some places, there is an acute shortage of water. Tap running dry, long
In some
queues for
places,
water.
there is an acute shortage of water. Taps running dry, long queues for water. Figure 16.2 fights, marches, and protests for demand of water have become a common sight, especially during summers. Some of the newspapers clippings shown in figure 16.3 clearly indicate the misses. It is not true that we face acute shortage of water.
So children, earlier there is a shortage of water. So let's have an activity, what to do. Okay, beta Fiona. Next, Bhumi Chaudhary continue. Activity 16.1. So what we need to do in this activity? Quickly
ma'am.
read it. Yes.
Collect clippings from newspapers and magazines on the news items, articles, and pages related to water shortage. Paste them in your scrapbook and share it with your friends. List some problems faced by the people and discuss them in the class. Water shortage has become a matter of concern throughout the world. It is estimated that in a few years from now, more than one-third of the people in the world could face water scarcity. Before we discuss why water is getting scarce, we must know how much water is available for us on our planet.
Okay.
Year
Okay, beta.
2003 was
Yes,
observed
read
as
this. It's very important. Year 2003
was
was.
observed as the International Year of Fresh Water to make people aware of this dwindling natural resource.
Underline this, children. That International Year of Fresh Water, when it is celebrated in 2003. Kindly underline. And now we are going to study that how much water is available for us, which is suitable for drinking or for our consumptions. So yes, Kavya, continue. How much water is available? Kavya, Vedika, you may continue.
Yes, ma'am. How much water is available? Look at the picture of the Earth taken from space. Why does it appear blue? Surely you can guess. You are aware that 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water.
Kindly
Almost
underline,
all
children,
the
how much of the Earth's surface is covered with the water? This is almost 71%.
almost all the air on the Earth is contained in the seas and oceans, rivers, lakes, ice caps as groundwaters and in the atmosphere. However, most of this water is not fit for human consumption. The water that is fit for use is fresh water. Perform the following activity to estimate roughly the relative amount of water available in some of these sources.
Okay, children. So let me tell you the activity. This is a figure in which we have taken a medium-sized bucket filled with the water. It contains about 20 liters of water. And after that, we have taken a teaspoon, 5 ml capacity, about 100 spoons we had transferred into this mug. And after that, we had transferred 30 spoons into a glass tumbler. And then finally take out 1/4 of a spoon filled with water from this mug. So this much water is available for us. Okay. So now you can guess, see how less amount of water is present for us. So in this way, we had just counted that how much water is available for us.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
So it's very, very less. Yes, beta. The water available for us is very less. Yes.
We also can say, ma'am, we also can say that from time to time the water is lessing, not more,
Yes,
and not
yes.
still.
Yes, the water is becoming very, very less. So there is an alarming situation for each one of us to save water. Even children, you can underline this. Paheli quickly calculated and found that the amount, how much roughly amount is present, that is 0.006% for all water found on the earth. So you can see that how very less percentage of water is present on the earth. That is 0.006% of water is present on the earth. So this is very alarming situation for us. Okay, so just see to it, children. It's the duty of each one to conserve water. Kindly do this practice at your home even, not to waste water. Okay, so rest part will continue tomorrow.